guys, it's Hannah here, and today I wanted to show you my setup in my June Little Bits box from Mommy Lay in the B6TN that was included in it. And it does include pretty much all items from that kit. Actually, I'm gonna say that all the items in this setup is from the June Little Bits box, unless said otherwise, because the majority definitely is. Also, I am aware that summer is coming to an end pretty soon, if it hasn't already once this video is uploaded, I'm not sure yet. Which is making me sad, but because I didn't receive this box until early August, or was it late July? I can't remember. And I didn't have the time to set it up until just like this week. Now finally I can share it with you. So if your summer feels are gone, I'm sorry, but I hope you can still enjoy this colorful and fun setup. And it is actually my second proper TN setup. I have set up one before, which you might not have seen yet once this video is up, but you will see it soon. I wanted to get all the summer stuff out as soon as possible. This kit, I think, is pretty much my favorite kit ever that she's done. Out of every planner that she's made, I think this one has to be my favorite, because I mean, look at it. It's pink. It's a lot of pink. It's a bit of a darker pink ombre to a bit of a lighter pink. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's the way it is. With the hearts and with the cherries with cute faces, and oh my goodness, I am absolutely in love. Also, I just want to mention that this planner is not set up really to be functional. I don't actually have any plans with it. I just wanted to play around with the goodies. I couldn't wait anymore, you know, like waiting a whole month to get the kit and then waiting like even a couple more weeks to be able to play with it. Like I had to do it now. You'll understand once I open it, so let's open it. But first, I just want to mention that this little gorgeous bow that you see here is actually not from Mommy Lay. This one came with a Simply Gilded May subscription box. I did really want to use this charm that you see here. This one came with a kit. And it's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous like pom-pom cherries with a green leaf, and I think it's so cute. But it was too long to put on here, and I could put it up here. But to me, having a big bow here plus a big kind of keychain on the spine, that's just a bit too much for me. But that's why I still want to include it, so I have it up in the corner here for you. But yes, let's open her up. Firstly, I'm just gonna take out the pen because she's not secured by anything but the strap, and this pen was included in the kit, and I think it is really pretty. I really like it, and the pearls inside are really cute, but I don't have anything to secure her in. I need to get some of those like pen loops. Like that's still on my kind of to buy list, but I haven't got around to it yet. So yeah, I just put her, you know, in here, but you know, when I take the strap off, she falls out, so I might as well take her out, you know, first. So there we go. Now, opening it up. Alright, so here is what she looks like on the inside. So this planner was pretty special because it was the first ever Mommy Lay planner, I mean Little Bits planner, sorry, that had pockets. But either way, I did go kind of lightly, I guess, on the decoration a little bit. I mean, I didn't really have that much to put stuff in since it's only one secretarial style pocket. But I did put this. This is a magnetic, one of those like bow clips, as you can see. This one I got from Dottie Moo, and I love this kind of hollow glitter effect. It has light pink stitching, which I thought this just really fit in here. I really wanted to put it here. Naturally, I would have put it probably up here, but then it would have covered the text. So I was like, I need to have it somewhere. So I ended up just putting it on the pocket there. And then I have some washi samples on here, just on some leftover like laminating sheets. And I just put one of those little die cuts that came with the kit, as well as some washi. And this one at the top came with the kit, and the rest are from Simply Gilded. I just picked ones that matched. And then at the back here, I just put some of the stickers that came, you know, with the kit, and you can see the gorgeous hollow foiling there. And yeah, I love these so much. I didn't put all of them at the same place because it gets a bit kind of bulky and heavy, and yeah, I just put kind of my favorites there, and then just the washi there. And then another thing that has been included recently in the Little Bits box is plastic dashboards, and these are top loading, so you just, you know, open it up here so you can put whatever you want inside. And this box actually came with pre-made dashboard. So this one here, I did nothing to it. It came this way and I love it so much. I decided to just, you know, let it be. And at the back here, I actually put one of the backings that came maybe with the stickers or something, I don't know. I just cut it down to fit, you know, inside here, and then I just put some of the sticky notes that was included. I love this little piggy. It has hollow foiling, it's gorgeous. I love this pen in the back too. And it was really awesome because a lot of backing this month was like really big because they were kind of big items. So, I mean, you were actually able to put it inside the planner. I mean, a B6 is still pretty big, you know. I actually only cut the bottom. I did not cut any of the sides. So as you can see, the sides were perfect the way they were, which is amazing. And then we get to something which is really, really exciting for me personally. Acetate. And this is acetate, yes. And it has gorgeous, cute little strawberries on it. And I actually printed this myself, and that's what makes me so happy and kind of proud, I guess. Not to pat my own back, but I've been wanting to be able to print acetate for so long, and finally I got sheets, I figured out how to do it, and it worked. This was actually my very first try to print, and if I do say so myself, it actually looks pretty good. Like, I don't think I could have done it better, really. And now it really sounds like I'm patting my own back, but I'm just so happy because there are so many fun, you know, digitals included with the Little Bits box. Okay, so here I also have a little pom-pom paper clip. This one is from the Hooting Pirate on Etsy. And actually, I'm just gonna take that off to show you a little better here. So that's, you know, the acetate. And then here is what it looks a little bit fun. I'm kind of fooling you here because it looks like it's Anyplans Printables inserts. But it's not. It's actually the inserts that were included. And I just took the design of, you know, the Anyplans printable. I printed the first page only, which was like the cover page. I zoomed it to about, I think 107% instead of 100 to make it fit. Because something funny is that these inserts that are included are actually, I don't know, well, they're bigger than normal B6 inserts. So when I printed it to be B6, it was like, it was too small, so I had to zoom it up a bit. Then I just put a little die cut here because I don't have any plans with this, like I said, and now maybe you can tell why, because it's just blank sheets. I usually don't use these inserts, but I guess I could use them for like journaling and stuff. But I still really wanted to, I mean, to be able to set up the planner, I needed to put in inserts. And the reason why I didn't use the printables like as inserts is because I've had a lot of trouble printing lately, and especially double-sided, it's a struggle and I don't want to do it anymore. Also, as you can see, I put washi at the very edge of this cover, and that's because I had to kind of use the white space since the cover wasn't made for this exact size, and even if I zoomed it and it got bigger, it didn't make it wider, which is what I needed. So I just decorated with some washi from Simply Gilded. And yeah, then it's just the standard. Also here is just a little dangling sparkle bauble. This one I got as a very generous freebie from Blushbow Boutique. And the inserts are just the usual that comes with a Little Bits box. We have the ivory blank ones and the blank craft paper ones as well. And that's the middle, as you can see. And the back here is just the same, except that I put a different die cut. This one says Think Happy Thoughts, which I think is a very nice sentiment. And here's just another little pom-pom paper clip from the Hooting Pirate. Here is the back of that plastic dashboard, and this was actually a printable dashboard, kind of. It came as the same size as the ones that were already included, you know, in the box. So I just printed that. I love this girl, she's so cute. It says Love This Life, and then on the back I just put another one of the dashboards here, as you can see. And then here I put a paper on the back, and then I just put the little card, the info card actually, that, you know, has all the info on the back. And I love this piggy. I call her Miss Piggy because, I don't know, she reminded me of her. And then on the back I have that printable strawberry paper, and I just put some die cuts on here with a little Miss Piggy. And then this one that says I am a babe. I love the bubble letters. Here's another acetate that I made. This one is just simple black dots. I don't think this design came with this kit, but it is made by Mommy Lay, but I don't know which kit. But one like this is just so versatile, you could use it for anything. Holding that together is a paper clip that I made out of a paper clip and a bow. This was actually a decal sticker, kind of. It had a kind of sticker dot on the back. I just removed that and put it through the paper clip. And here I also put a little die cut kind of flower bouquet, which I love this die cut. I think it's so pretty. And I also put some of the washi included in the kit along the side of this as well. And then it's just the same, you know, with the setup. Oh, okay, so I divided the pages a little bit here. Here I have another paper clip. This one is also from Blush Bow Boutique, and it was another freebie. But you know, this pink and the silver, it was meant to go in here. I just had to. So yes, that's the middle of that. And then here we get to the end and I just put a little, actually not so little, it's a bow that came with the kit. I always put the biggest bow in the back or the biggest paper clip so it kind of doesn't cover the rest. And yeah, you know, this is just the same, except that I put a different die cut and everything. And here is just the back of that plastic dashboard. Here's another ready-made dashboard. I love this. You know, I just love what it says. And I love what it says here too. I love Miss Piggy. Joy is when you learn to love and accept you. I love that. And at the back here, I also have some more stickers. Actually, the rest, or like, I think I put half of them up front and half at the back so it wouldn't bulk too much on either side, but to still have all of them in here. So here we have this one, and then we have just some more here. And then at the very back is just another backing from the kit. I love this yellow. I just think it's so fun. Also, something I should probably say, maybe you noticed, or maybe you didn't, but I haven't really used a lot of the physical items actually in this kit. I actually tried not to use a lot of the physical items, especially the papers, including the acetates and the vellum also included. And that is only because I think that this kit I'm gonna want to use even more next summer. You know, this planner is all set up, but it's not like ready to use because I'm not really sure what I'm gonna use these inserts for. It's just set up, like to have a setup, to have a theme, ready to go. I can just pop in the right inserts whenever I want to and stuff. But I also have my pink, my bubblegum pink K planner, and I was kind of torn between putting this kit in that planner, setting it up in that planner, or in this planner, because I love this planner so much and I really wanted to like set it up and be able to use it and not just leave it empty on the shelf, you know. So I decided that I was gonna use a lot of the printables, and because this one came with a lot of dashboards as well as, you know, like printable dashboards, I didn't really need to use a lot of papers. So I was a bit sparesome, if I don't know if that's even a word. I used it sparingly, I guess I could say, especially the physical items, because once I cut the physical papers up and, you know, there's not a digital version of it, you know, I've used it and I won't be able to use it again. And I know I want to use it, it's just I felt like I could use this kit in 2 different planners at the same time. So, but because my other planner is an A5, this is a B6, I can't really use the papers for both. Like I can choose one and then the rest, the scraps, like it won't be enough. Sadly, but you know, it is what it is. But this way, using a lot of printables, which I love the printables so much, and the dashboards provided, it wasn't really a problem for me. You know, I still love this setup. I don't really feel like I could have done it any better using the physical items, honestly. So I thought it would be a bit limiting, but it actually wasn't. Plus I discovered, you know, that I can, you know, print on acetate myself, which is awesome. So yeah, this was this setup. I'm so happy with it, and I hope you enjoyed this as well and liked it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will also leave the link to the Mommy Lay website. I'm not sure when this video goes up if you're able to subscribe to the Little Bits box or pre-order it yet. It depends when it is. Either way, now I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also hope to see you next time. Bye for now!